Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So join me today. Let's make quick and delicious vegetable sauce or vegetable stew. And if you like this recipe or if you enjoy watching this video, do give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel. So to make your vegetable sauce or your vegetable stew, first you need to place your deep saucepan on the heat, add some vegetable oil and allow it to heat up. Then add in your sliced onion, stir fry for a minute, then go ahead to add your chopped ginger, add your dried thyme leaves, then add your garlic powder, add your parsley leaf and also add your mixed herbs and spices. After you are done adding all the spices, then you stir fry it for about 2 minutes. So next, go ahead and add in your fresh sliced tomatoes, then use your spatula to mix everything together while you allow it to fry for some minutes. Few minutes later, go ahead and add your blended pepper, then use your spatula to stir fry this for 6 minutes. This time around you need to stir it continuously. So next, go ahead and add your well cleaned fresh curry leaf, then continue stirring with your spatula until the water from the tomatoes reduce. So next, go ahead and add your protein. Add your cow tripe, your shredded chicken, your powdered crayfish, add the beef stock cube and a pinch of salt to taste. Then use your spatula to mix until everything is properly combined together. So next, go ahead and add your chicken stock water, then give your sauce a quick stir with your spatula. Cover your pot and let it boil for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes later, check on the sauce, then use your spatula to give it a quick stir. Then go ahead and start adding your vegetables. So once you are done adding your vegetable, cover your pot and let it cook on a low heat for about 2 minutes. So 2 minutes later, go ahead and check on your vegetable sauce. Just use your spatula to give it a quick stir to mix the sauce and the vegetables together, and after that your vegetable sauce or vegetable stew is ready to be served. So guys, if you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a try at home and also share with us what you think about it on the comment section. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do subscribe, like and share this video.